So in this video, I'm going to fully explain the pentatonic scale, not just where you put your fingers, but how it actually works and why it's one of the most important tools for riffs, solos and improvisation on the guitar. Even if you already know the pentatonic scale, this should help it click properly. Now let's start with a practical example. We're going to place our fingers on the 7th fret of the low E string. That note's a B. And this is what we call our root note, the note the scale is named after. Now if we play on the low E 7-10, on the A string 7-9, D string 7-9, G 7-9, B string 7-10, and then the high E string 7-10, played. Plays slowly up and down, gives you the B minor pentatonic scale, and that's often referred to as position 1. Now what makes B minor pentatonic? Why do we actually call it that? Let's break the name down. So B is our root note or our tonal center. That's our first note, our main note. Minor describes the sound, so with minor chords and minor scales they sound darker and more sad. It's also a musical formula. I'm not going to get into that in this lesson. That's a little bit more of an advanced way to look at it, but minor, just think of it sounding more sad and darker. And the pentatonic simply means 5 notes, penta meaning 5. Even though you're playing more notes across the neck, you're really just repeating the same 5 note formula in different places. Now let's look why these notes repeat. The B minor pentatonic scale is made up of 5 notes, and they are B, D, E, F sharp and A. Now when we move to a higher octave, those same notes repeat again and it just becomes a higher octave of the same scale. So B, D, E, F sharp, A, B. That can then repeat again, B, D, E, F sharp, A, B. Again, that's just the same notes going up an octave each time. An octave simply means the same note but higher or lower. So a B down here, for example, and a B up here, or a B here. They're all just Bs, but they're each an octave apart from each other. That's why the pentatonic scale doesn't add new notes as we move up the fretboard. It just recycles the same 5 notes. One really clear way to see this is on a single string. So on the low E string, the B minor pentatonic scale could be played like this: B, D, E, F sharp, A, and then it could start again, B. Also on the A string, B, D, E, F sharp, A, B. That can start again, D, E, F sharp, and then you run out of frets. You can do this on any string. Just a quick side note, if you want this scale laid out clearly in every key with the root notes mapped out for you, download my essential guide to the pentatonic scale. It shows every single key for the minor and the major pentatonic, and there's animated videos that go through all the scales. Link will be in the description below, so you can check that out. Why this scale is so powerful? Well, it's a movable shape. Let's say 5th fret here, that's an A. We can do the same shape. That's our A minor pentatonic. Fret 3, that note's a G. G minor pentatonic, or fret 10, that's a D. So D minor pentatonic. Same shape, just a new key. Let's look at some real song examples. This is why the pentatonic scale shows up everywhere. Let's just take the main riff from Layla. It's built almost entirely from the minor pentatonic scale with just one small extra note or added colour. So let's have a look at that. That example is in the key of D minor. But that same idea could be played in B or G. Here's the G minor pentatonic. Let's look at another one. So Born Under a Bad Sign by Albert King. A classic blues riff. pretty much any song you can think of that's rock, pop or blues related will have some sort of pentatonic notes in there. Now once you know the scale, you can actually see how the riffs are constructed instead of them just feeling completely random. So just to recap, now you understand how the pentatonic scale works, why the notes repeat, how octaves fit into this, and why the scale shows up in so many classic riffs. And if you want a clear reference that shows you the scale in every single key, download my essential guide to the pentatonic scale. It shows you in every single key. Link will be in the description below this video. Hope you've enjoyed this lesson. If you have, please do smash that like button and the subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.